Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock a Ford Flex using an easy method. We'll focus on techniques that are both effective and gentle on your vehicle, ensuring you can regain access without causing any damage. First, ensure you have a few basic items ready, such as a plastic wedge and a long reach tool. These simple tools will be essential for our primary method, allowing for a quick and stress-free solution to your lockout situation. The most common easy method involves using a plastic wedge and a long reach tool. Begin by gently inserting the wedge into the top corner of the driver's side door frame. This creates a small, safe opening, typically about 1/2 inch wide. Next, carefully slide your long reach tool through this gap. Aim to either press the electronic unlock button on the door panel or hook and pull the interior door handle to open the door. Many Ford Flex models come equipped with a convenient factory-installed keypad on the driver's door. If you know your 5-digit code, simply enter it to unlock your vehicle instantly. This is often the quickest and easiest way to get back inside. Alternatively, the most straightforward solution is always having a spare physical key. Keeping one in a secure, accessible location can save you significant time and frustration during a lockout. If you're uncomfortable attempting these methods, or if they don't work, it's always best to call for professional help. A certified locksmith or roadside assistance can safely unlock your Ford Flex without causing any damage. To prevent future lockouts, consider keeping a spare key in a secure, separate location, perhaps with a trusted friend or family member. Always double-check for your keys before closing your car door.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.